Have you ever heard that distance makes the heart grow fonder? It's true, but it's not about playing games. In today's video, we'll look at some psychological tips for making someone miss you, not by being unkind, but by knowing when to step back. It's a fine line that many get wrong, thinking that ignoring someone means being cold. I'm here to set the record straight and show you how to do it the right way. Soon enough, she'll be looking forward to seeing you again. Ready to learn more? Let's get started. Number 1, avoid being always available. If you're constantly texting or calling, it might seem like you don't have much going on in your own life. By giving them space, you give them the chance to miss you. Just like eating the same meal every day gets dull, being always available can become tiresome. People naturally desire what isn't always within reach. By stepping back a bit, you spark their curiosity and make them wonder about you. Bombarding them with messages and calls can come off as desperate, which isn't attractive. When you're not constantly around, they have the time to think about the fun times you shared and look forward to seeing you again. This isn't about ignoring them or playing games. It's about showing you have a fulfilling life outside of them. Let them reach out to you occasionally. This isn't just about playing hard to get, but about being worth the wait. Number 2, lead a balanced life. Women are often drawn to men who radiate happiness and fulfillment in their own lives. By focusing on your personal growth and enjoying life's experiences, you naturally attract interest. So while you're giving her some space, make sure it's clear that you're fully engaged in and enjoying your own life. Number 3, value your time. Your time is important, so don't drop everything the moment she contacts you. It's okay to wait before responding. This shows that you're not desperate and that you have a busy and meaningful life beyond her. Number 4, ignite the flames of jealousy strategically. While jealousy often has a negative reputation, it can be a powerful tool when used subtly to make someone miss you. This doesn't mean causing harm or manipulation, but rather gently stirring feelings of longing and desire. One effective way is to showcase your social life and interactions with others. When they see you enjoying yourself and mingling with different people, it can spark a sense of jealousy and make them realize what they might be missing. Share stories or photos from social events or outings with friends in a natural and authentic way. Let them see that you're living an exciting and vibrant life, making them feel your absence. By inducing a healthy dose of jealousy, you create a sense of urgency and longing, making them crave your presence and attention. However, always proceed with care, ensuring your actions are guided by respect and empathy. Number 5, avoid falling for attention bait. When they send a simple emoji or a casual hello, don't always reply instantly. If you do, it may seem like you're just waiting for their attention, which can make you appear less valuable in their eyes. The human brain often undervalues what comes too easily. By not giving them immediate attention, they'll put in more effort to earn it. Constantly responding quickly to their casual messages lowers your perceived value. So the next time they send a nonchalant text, resist the urge to reply right away. Take your time. This shows that you have your own dreams and purpose and aren't just waiting for their messages. It's not about playing hard to get. It's about showing that you have a life beyond waiting for their texts. By not jumping at every message, you make your attention seem more valuable, prompting them to put in more effort to gain your interest, which leads them to value it more. Number 6, exhibit your high value. Being a high-value man goes beyond material wealth. It's about demonstrating self-worth, purpose, and respect for others. When you distance yourself from her, it's not about lowering her worth, but rather emphasizing your own. This naturally piques her interest and curiosity about your life. High value isn't shown through a big bank account or a flashy lifestyle, but through your inner qualities, your principles, ambitions, attitudes, and self-respect. It's about displaying your unique attributes through kindness, compassion, and a strong moral compass. In this context, ignoring her isn't meant to make her feel unimportant, but to highlight your own high value. You're subtly signaling that you're not easily swayed and that you're selective, which boosts your appeal. This creates a dynamic where she might find herself wanting to be part of your extraordinary life. Number 7, present your complete self. Whether you're in a relationship or trying to make someone miss you, it's important to show that you are a fulfilled individual. even without them. Your life should be rich and exciting on its own. By highlighting your passions, hobbies, and goals, you become more attractive and intriguing. When they see that you are content and thriving in your own world, they're more likely to miss being part of it. This isn't about ignoring them or acting indifferent. It's about maintaining a healthy balance between your personal life and your interactions with them. Focus on your personal growth and happiness. Pursue your interests, spend time with friends and family, and invest in your career or education. Show them that you are not dependent on them for your happiness or fulfillment. When they see you living a complete and fulfilling life, they'll start to miss being a part of it and crave your presence even more. Number 8, keep a bit of mystery. Mystery can be incredibly captivating. Don't reveal everything about your life right away. Save some stories for later. People are naturally curious, and when they can't fully figure you out, it makes them think about you more. Let her wonder, think about you, and desire to know more. This isn't about playing games or being deceptive. It's about pacing how much you share to maintain her curiosity. If you're an open book, the allure fades because there's nothing left to discover. But when you reveal yourself gradually, layer by layer, it keeps her engaged and wanting to know more. Instead of sharing every detail about your life, hold back a little, just enough to pique her interest and leave her wondering about the rest. When you're not overly transparent about everything you do, where you go, or who you're with, it creates a puzzle she's eager to solve. For instance, if you had an interesting day, you might say, "Had such an unexpected adventure today," and leave it at that. This invites questions and sparks conversation, rather than laying everything out up front. By cultivating an air of mystery, you become like a book she can't put down, with each chapter drawing her in further. This keeps you on her mind and makes your interactions more exciting and rewarding. Number 9, leave them wanting more. Every interaction should leave them eagerly anticipating the next one. This means knowing when to end conversations on a high note and avoiding letting things become mundane. Focus on quality rather than quantity. By ending an interaction at its peak, you create a memorable moment they'll want to relive. For example, if you're having a great conversation, it might be tempting to keep it going, but ending it while it's still engaging, with a promise of more to come, leaves them with a sense of anticipation. You become like a favorite TV show that ends on a cliffhanger, leaving them excited for the next episode. Instead of prolonging a date until you run out of things to do or say goodbye while it's still enjoyable. This leaves them eager to see you again and keeps you on their mind long after you've parted ways. Mastering the art of leaving them wanting more ensures that you're never taken for granted. Your presence becomes a treat they look forward to, enhancing their desire and making them miss you whenever you're not around. Number 10, embrace spontaneity and unpredictability. Predictability can sometimes lead to boredom, so keep things exciting by surprising her from time to time. Shake things up with spontaneous adventures, try new foods, and explore uncharted territories. When you shift your focus from routine interactions to the element of surprise, it adds an exciting twist to your relationship. Being spontaneous keeps her guessing and wondering what thrilling surprise you'll come up with next, maintaining a sense of excitement and intrigue. This unpredictability keeps her engaged and eager for more, making your time together feel fresh and exhilarating. Number 11, be charismatic and confident. Charisma and confidence are magnetic qualities that draw people to you and make them miss your presence when you're not around. These traits aren't about being overly bold or dominant, but about being comfortable in your own skin and expressing yourself authentically. When you're confident, you naturally exude an aura that makes others feel good around you, making your absence more noticeable. Building charisma often comes from making others feel valued and understood, not just from being the center of attention. When you leave a conversation, people should feel uplifted from having interacted with you. Let them associate you with positive feelings and experiences. Confidence, on the other hand, is about believing in your own worth and abilities without needing constant validation from others. This doesn't mean you won't have insecurities or doubts, but rather that you won't let them dominate your interactions. Confidence can be demonstrated through your body language, how you handle challenges, and your willingness to step out of your comfort zone. By being charismatic and confident, you create a memorable impact on those around you. People are naturally drawn to those who are comfortable with themselves and make others feel good. This allure doesn't fade when you're not around. Instead, it leaves a lasting impression that makes people miss your energy and presence, eagerly awaiting the next opportunity to be in your company. Number 12, exhibit ambition. An ambitious man has a mission and a clear plan, whether it's related to your career, a hobby, or a personal goal. Let your ambitions be evident as they demonstrate that you have direction, vision, and the courage to pursue your dreams. This is where the strategy of occasionally shifting your focus away from her comes into play. Instead of dedicating all your energy to her, channel some of it toward your aspirations and goals. When she sees you as a man with a plan, it often piques her interest and makes her eager to join you on your path to success. Ambition not only showcases your drive, but also adds depth and purpose to your character, making you more attractive and intriguing in her eyes. And that wraps up our exploration of the subtle art of making someone truly miss you. Remember, these strategies are about enhancing your own life and building genuine connections, not about manipulation. If you found value in our discussion, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe and join us for more insights into human psychology and relationships. Your support helps us create more content like this. Until next time, this is Stoic Wizard.